Okay guys, this is a firearm testing at a warehouse. We got a Simplex T-bar and we got Simplex 20 out of 3s. They're all addressable Simplex T-bars. Yeah, we got a 20 out of 3 with a 20 out of 1-9833. Next we got a Wheelock NS, another 2 Wheelock NS's red and white, and a Wheelock ZNS. We got like a Firelight BG6 and a Silent Night Pulsation. I forgot like the brand of it. Please don't judge me. Okay, next we got a System Sensor low frequency sounder. We got all these are Spectral Alert Classics, Firelight BG12 and a Firelight BG8. And next we got like I think this is an EST Genesis. And we got this, which is this. And next we got like a Simplex 4030, a 20 out of 3 with a 9833. I think that is a 4050. We got a Federal Signal with a light. We got Gentex Commanders. Like one is horn only, and the other ones are horn strobes. And next we got like a Siemens Pulse Station. And over here we got an Edwards Integrity remote strobe, an EST Genesis, and an Edwards Integrity. Wait, we already went through this. Next we got like a System Sensor Spectral Alert Advanced Low Frequency Sounder, and another one that's Ceiling Mount and a Spectral Alert Classic with a Firelight BG12 and a BG10. Next we got a Simplex a Quick Alert horn strobe. So pretty much all the fire alarms. So we're just gonna activate the system and pull the alarm. Wait, we've already got these, but whatever. Wait, I can't pull it. I'm just gonna try the Okay, we're just gonna pull these alarms. I'm pulling all the pulsations. Wait. There was a Potter Bell out here. Okay, guys. So that's the end of the video.